flat, so we're off to Walmart to go pick up another tire. Yeah, so I got another flat, so we gotta go get that fixed. It was cold. It was cold that day that it blew out, and the tire looked low, so I went to go put an air into the tire, and it blew up. But luckily it blew out on the inside, so it was just really loud. Didn't really do any damage, I guess. But yeah, now we gotta go get a new one. So that's where we're off to. Alright guys, I picked up the tire for the Accord, for the C5, yeah, flat tire. We've got a Steely on there. But before we change that tire, I'm going to do an oil change on the CRV really quick, and then we'll bring in the Accord and get the tire swapped out. So let's get this day going. Alright guys, so the next thing I'm going to do now is I picked up some bumper clips for the car because my bumper is falling apart. But here, let me turn it around and I'll show you what I mean. So these are the bumper clips. I'll take them out right now and I'll show you what they look like. But they're like bumper quick release because my bumper is like, it's all broken and not really being held on by anything on both sides. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these put on really quick. I'll show you how I do it, and I'll show you what's in the box here in a minute. All right, so here's what came in the box. 2 little buttons, all the hardware, some springs. I don't think we're going to use the springs. The springs are used for the hood. If you're going to use these on the hood, like a hood latcher, it helps pop them up. But we're going to use these on the bumper, so I don't think I'm going to be using those. But It didn't really come with any instructions. It came with this little card, but not really any instructions on how to put it on. So we're going to figure this out. We're going to get this installed really quick. All right, so first things first, I got to take the bumper off. We'll show you guys how to take the bumper off, but my bumper isn't fastened like from factory. I've just got a couple screws holding it together. So I'm just going to fast forward to where the bumper is loose enough for me to move that out of the way so I can get to the fender here. All right, got the bumper all loose. So it should give me enough room to kind of work with here and get this. I'm gonna end up using this hole here for this little guy here. So let me go ahead and take that off really quick, and we'll put that piece in. All right, so I pretty much got it where I want it. Now I'm just going to place a little bit of toothpaste on here just to kind of mark my spot, just like so. Place this over. And then make sure it's in the spot where I want it to be. Push it down. And that should give me where my spot is. Perfect. So now I'm going to take the bumper off, and then I'm going to drill the hole. All right, now I'm going to drill a hole. This is the scary part. Fuck it up. So by the looks of it, it'll be about like here. Hopefully it's enough room. If not, I just fucked it up. So here we go. Here goes nothing. Hang on a sec. Give me a better angle. Okay. Just a little bit of painter's tape here. I'm gonna switch this bit out. I'm gonna use 3/4. This bit, I don't know what it's called. Don't judge me. Hopefully, this looks like it'll work. Here we go. All right, I've got a hole. Okay, now let's see if it fits. I hope you can see that. Boom. Check that out. That looks good. All right, let's finish putting this together. Spin this thing on the other side. Tighten it up. Okay. Before I put this on, I'm going to do the other side really quick, and then I will come back and we will put the whole bumper on together. So let me get the other side done, and then I'll get back. All right, guys, got it all together again. There they are, nice and subtle. They look good. They hold my bumper in place, like that ain't going nowhere. Hopefully, anyways. This side too, all done. They look good. I like them. On to the next thing. So I've got to replace my exhaust flange gasket right in here. This is all burnt up and blown out. So I'm gonna go ahead and take these off really quick and try to replace it. All right, guys, well, here's my gasket. Pretty torn up. So I'm gonna run out to AutoZone really quick and pick up another one. All right, got the new exhaust flange. They are side by side. We'll go ahead and get this thrown on, and then we'll turn on the car and see how it sounds. All right, got the gasket all put together, got all the header bolted back up. I'm gonna start it up and see how it sounds. Battery's dead, hang on. All right, let's try this again. We'll let it warm up, and then I'll give you guys a little rev so you guys can hear how it sounds.